Cooking for Millennials, the show where we teach you how to cook delicious and nutritious meals. Today on the program, we got a little something different. We're going to be cooking a duck, but not just any duck. It's going to be honey, Sriracha, Tangerine duck. It's going to be great. So I'm going to start off by just getting this guy out of this packaging. I'll probably do this off camera because it'd be messy and not very pleasant. But we're going to rinse this guy out in the sink. And then we'll get to the good stuff. Alright, with your bird washed up and lightly abused, we're just going to dry it down with some paper towels. Outside, backside, and a little bit in the cavity as well. Next, according to the recipe I found on the internet, we're going to crosshatch the skin on our bird and then we're going to poke it all over. This will supposedly help the juices, our greasy duck, not be so greasy in the end. And you just want to just cut the skin. But not the actual meat. I'm going to go the other way. There we go. And now we're just going to poke it all over with a knife. This will supposedly help. Alright. Bet you had to truss up that bird. So we got our little thing here, wire. Oh geez, we can't do this yet. Not yet. We need our tangerine. Just gonna cut into sixes. Now we're just gonna stuff the duck here a little bit in the end with some of these tangerines. Seeds and all. There we go. Alright. Now we gotta seal it up. Poke the leg here. I'll poke myself. There we go. One. Oop, get in there. Two. We're gonna cheat a bit here. Even still. Tricky. There we go. Alright, then we just turn that a bit like so. And we've got a duck. So we have our duck stuffed with tangerine there. Hug these wings up in there a little bit. And we got our oven about 350, maybe 375. We're gonna stick that in there using the little wires. We're gonna send our duck down. In it goes. For about 1 hour, and then we'll do stuff. All right, so it's the end of our first hour here. Just gonna take off the lid, raise our ducky. Now we just gotta flip this beast. Success. Look at that. And we're just gonna crack a little bit of salt on it because I forgot to do that for the first hour there. We're gonna cook this thing for about a total of 4 hours. And every hour we're gonna flip it. I gotta poke it. All over. We'll send it in for another hour. Just like that. This is hour 2. I tell you, it's looking good in there. Looking really good in there. And we're just gonna pour off. Whoops. The whole duck. Ducks are definitely a bit greasier, so I think we'll just give it a few more pokes. Kind of all over. Looks good. Give this thing a flip over. Salt the back of it a bit here. So we did not do that on our second hour. And then we're good. Get a few of these. Get some of that grease out and cook. Look at that. All right, this is hour 3. And we have a duck. Let's get the old pokey all over. We'll do the turn. This is our last turn. Our scary looking duck. There we go. Even self-lowers. Alright, so we'll see what we have after 4 hours. Look at that delectable beast. And over here, we have our duck honey sriracha sauce, which is 3/4 cup sriracha, 3 tablespoons honey, 1 tablespoon soy, 2 tablespoons rice vinegar, and a dash of lemon juice, and salt and pepper to taste. Alright, we'll just coat this beast with this here. Ooh. And then we'll let this cook for about 10 minutes after. We're going to blast it to 400 without the lid. And we'll save some of the sauce for after as well. There we go. So there we are after our 10 minutes with the sauce on. Bring it over there. That greasy duck. And there we have it. The honey sriracha tangerine duck. Look at that glisten. Our poor abused duck.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and check out my other videos.
There we go.